Kinetex, J&J Flooring Group's award-winning textile composite flooring, is the perfect solution for educational environments. From the start, Kinetex was designed with the issues most important to our customers in mind: ease of maintenance and cost of installation and upkeep. It's ideally suited for both higher ed as well as K-12, instructional spaces, athletic facilities, dining rooms, administrative offices, student housing, and multi-purpose activity centers. Most of the common challenges, whether from regular use or dining room spills, are easily managed.
There's absolutely no nap for contaminants, whether it be dry or wet, to absorb into. So everything that's introduced stays on top and therefore is easily removed.
But seeing is believing.
It's important that we brush in all four compass directions, therefore cleaning four sides of the face.
Yeah, just a few strokes and the spot disappears.
We found that the kinetex that we've been using requires much less maintenance than other floorings that we've used. That, quite frankly, is our standard on campus. I use it everywhere.
Top among other benefits are its acoustical properties, safety, slip-fall prevention. It's the only wall-to-wall floor covering certified by the National Floor Safety Institute. Ergonomic underfoot comfort for faculty, indoor air quality. Kinetex sequesters airborne particulates, extreme tolerance over high moisture concrete, as well as thermal comfort. Manufactured by J&J Flooring Group, the only flooring company to achieve third-party certification as a zero waste to landfill manufacturer. Contact your J&J Flooring Group sales representative or find one near you at jjflooringgroup.com.